how many solutions does the quadratic equation y is equal to x squared minus 3x plus 2 have? Yan. So, ito yung formula. Discriminant is equal to b squared minus 4ac. So, ito yung condition. If the discriminant is greater than 0, meron tayong 2 solutions. Kapag ang discriminant naman is equal to 0, meron lang tayong 1 solution. At kapag ang discriminant is less than 0, so no real solutions. Ang meron lang tayo dyan ay ang imaginary solutions. Okay, sa quadratic equation na to, identify natin kung ano yung a. So yung a dyan ay 1. Ang b ay negative 3. At ang c ay 2. Substitute natin dito. B is negative 3 square minus 4 times A. 1 yung A. And then yung C ay 2. Negative 3 square equals 9. 1 times 2. 2 times negative 4. Negative. Ating discriminant is 1. So, discriminant is equal to 1. Ibig sabihin, ang quadratic equation na ito ay merong 2 solutions. Kasi ang 1 is greater than 0. Ayan.